The 2013 Dodge Avenger.
Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the efficient 4-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. This model accommodates 5 passengers comfortably and provides features such as delay-off headlights,
Air conditioning,
and one-touch window functionality.
audio features include a CD player with MP3 capability, steering wheel mounted audio controls, and 4 well-positioned speakers. Dodge also prioritized safety and security with features such as head curtain airbags, front side impact airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a panic alarm, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control ensures solid grip atop the road surface, no matter how challenging the driving conditions. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner.
Our team is professional and we offer a no-pressure environment. We are here to help you.